Tired of struggling with messy kitchens and boring tools? Here are 5 smart and affordable kitchen gadgets that will save your time, space, and sanity. And you'll wonder why you didn't get them earlier. 1. Signamio Wooden Masala Box. Smart storage for spices. This stylish wooden spice box comes with 9 detachable containers, a spoon, and a transparent lid. It blends traditional masala storage with a modern clean design, perfect for organizing spices without the mess. Whether you cook daily or occasionally, this is a kitchen essential that adds beauty plus function to your shelf. Link in description to grab this beautiful organizer. 2. High-pressure sink glass rinser. Clean cups in 2 seconds. No more scrubbing bottles or baby cups. Just flip your glass upside down and press. This high-pressure cup rinser sprays from the bottom and cleans instantly. It's stainless steel, powerful, and fits right into your sink. Ideal for homes, cafes, and parents with baby bottles. Find this powerful rinser in the link below. 3. Silicone cooking tool set with wood handles. Non-stick plus stylish cooking. This silicone cooking tool set has spatulas, ladles, turners, and more. All heat-resistant and safe for non-stick cookware. The wood handles give a premium look, and the tools won't scratch your pans like metal ones. A perfect upgrade for anyone serious about cooking. Check this all-in-one tool set in the description. 4. Wasdorf 3-in-1 cleaning brush with floor wiper. Bathroom and kitchen scrubbing made easy. This 3-in-1 brush scrubs, wipes, and rotates 180 degrees. Whether it's floor tiles, sinks, or kitchen slabs, it tackles dirt fast. The stainless steel handle and ergonomic grip make cleaning less painful. It's a must-have tool for every home. Grab this multi-use brush from the link below. 5. Vasuki 2-in-1 soap dispenser plus sponge holder. Squeeze, clean, done. This smart gadget combines your liquid soap dispenser and sponge holder into one compact design. Just press your sponge down, it pumps the perfect amount of soap. No spills, no waste, just clean, organized dishwashing. Link in bio for this space-saving soap tool. Which of these 5 smart tools would you use first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SmartifyGoods for more gadget finds and smart living tools.